Coming all the way to the northern side of Ubud, I find myself here on the edge of this stunning villa with a commanding view over the verdant surrounding area. I don't think you have seen anything like this. So join me today as we explore and experience the essence of Balinese living. Hey everyone, it is Sidi here with Bali Real Estate Consultants, and as always, I'm absolutely thrilled to have you in yet another walkthrough videos of ours. Today, I have something totally different, something massive that dwarfs any other villa that we have toured previously. And I'm talking about this. You are looking at more than 8,100 square meters of freehold land, 850 square meters of living space, 4 bedrooms, gym, media room, infinity pool, and so much more. All of this you can find here. Designed by a renowned Indonesian architect, Popo Danes, this property showcases beautiful Balinese design that is non-obstructive to its surrounding area. What I mean by that is going to be the surrounding area in which the property is built on is being incorporated nicely into the design process, resulting in a piece of art that I'm really excited to show you in a bit. Since we are here now, let's have a look at the garage setup to accommodate 2 cars, and over this direction is going to be the place for the staff. And finally, over this way, we find ourselves in this pristine driveway that will lead us into the drop-off zone right there at the main entrance. So let's go. As soon as we step inside, you can certainly feel the difference almost instantly. The sense of space and privacy is simply incredible. What we have here is the lush green garden flanking the whole area, creating this really nice backdrop for this serene entrance. Over this side, we have the pergola with flower plants that adds a refreshing touch. And additionally, as we stroll through, this entire design gives us a sense of floating tranquility. Now we enter the main living area, a single private dwelling that has an open concept design. This space flawlessly integrates so many areas into one big dwelling section. The first thing you notice is going to be the media room, while over this side is going to be the powder room. Now, as we make our way down a little bit, then you will find the formal living room or living area over this side, and of course, the centrally located dining room, with the centerpiece, of course, being the massive table, perfect for your family or friends gathering or beautiful occasion that you have. Over this side, last but not least, is going to be the kitchen. The setup is currently incredible with tons of storage, tons of space, and of course, it is ready to cater all of your needs while you are here. While we are here, let's take a minute to appreciate just the setup, how airy the room is, with high ceiling, beautiful and tasteful decorations you can find all over this place, which makes this place truly unique, I would say. Coming out to the veranda, you'll notice that there are 2 bali or gazebos that are opposite to each other, and that is a perfect spot to enjoy the serenity of the villas as well as to listen to the sound of nature, and with the water features that is flanking around the balis or the gazebos. Now from this point, you will start to see the contour of the land that slowly drops into the edge over there by the pool, and as well as the million-dollar views that you can't simply get enough of. Now we are heading towards the first of 4 bedrooms that you can find in this beautiful villa, each offering ultimate privacy and peace and comfort, of course. The first bedroom is situated right behind of the master bedroom over this side, so come follow me. Upon entering the first bedroom, you'll be greeted by the two really stylish vanities that make up the bathroom section, and it leads up to a complete setup with a shower as well as a bathtub. Now let's move further in here. We finally make our way into the bedroom. Now the first thing you'll notice is going to be the views of that direction. And of course, as the centerpiece of this room is going to be the queen-size bedroom, complemented with a really nice wooden flooring. Also, really nice texture all around this area, tasteful decorations, actually really nice painting over there. And finally, this room enjoys a very nice access into the veranda as well as the gazebos right across the fish pond right there. The spaciousness of this master bedroom is seriously impressive, with impeccable decor and carefully selected furnituring throughout the space, which makes the whole experience, I would say, amazing. Overall, the traditional elements also tightly woven into the design process, creating an atmosphere of one of its kind. I would like to point out that there is a bathroom over there with dual vanities, as well as a shower and a bathtub. Moving back here, now right in front of it is going to be the treat of this master bedroom, because you will have access to the balcony, which is amazing view right in front of it. Just imagining myself waking up every single morning over here, just send chills down to my spine, and you can do it every day. It's going to be perfect. Below the master bedroom, there is a gym, a complete set of gym that you can go every single day to work yourself out. And of course, right in front of it is going to be this large pool. I know, it is really tempting to jump and dip myself into the pool, especially during the hot Bali days. And with the views, makes it even better. However, I have more to show you. So maybe after this one with a front flip, so make sure you stay tuned. Coming back up across from where the master bedroom is located, we have these last two bedrooms on this property. One located slightly above level or in the upper level, and one is located slightly down below. However, both enjoys a meticulously design and finishing, just something that you can expect in this kind of property. Beautiful design, airy atmosphere, it's just so perfect. Now, the other thing I would like to point out, especially for these two bedrooms, that they have their own kitchen and dining area that can cater to these two bedrooms need. And additionally, there's actually a pool right in front of it. So safe to say, these two bedrooms can be self-sufficient because there is access that can lead all the way into the main entrance. Now, before I forget, where the pool is located, slightly down it, there is a private space that is really calm. That is, I would say, really quiet and peaceful. It is perfect for something like a yoga, or if you are doing anything that requires a peaceful environment. You have your option right there. All of these amenities will certainly level up your living experience, whether you're looking for a private family residence, a holiday home, or perhaps an investment property. The choice is yours. Now, the great news is that this property is currently sold at a land value only. Its versatility means that it can easily be extended to become a larger piece of commercial property. I'm talking about hotel or boutique hotels, or perhaps a retreat center. The choice is limitless. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. My name is Sidi with Bali Real Estate Consultants, and I'll see you on the next video. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And now it's time to jump. Let's go!